First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To generate realistic images, start by opening the image generation tool from the main dashboard. The first step is choosing a suitable model. Leonardo AI may provide different models for different types of image generation, so explore the available options and choose one that is designed for realistic or high-quality results. Next, focus on your prompt. Instead of writing a very short prompt like "a man in a city," provide more useful visual details. Describe the person, clothing, environment, lighting, camera perspective, mood, and overall appearance. For example, you could describe a realistic portrait of a businessman standing on a modern city street during golden hour, with natural skin texture, realistic clothing, soft background blur. Detailed facial features and professional photography. After writing your prompt, review the available settings. Choose an aspect ratio that matches your project, then check other options related to image quality, guidance, or generation settings if they are available in your current interface. Now start the generation process. Once Leonardo AI creates the images, carefully compare the results. Look at details such as the face, hands, clothing, lighting, shadows, background, and overall realism. If something looks unnatural, don't immediately give up. Improve the prompt by describing the specific details you want Leonardo AI to produce. You can also try a different model or adjust the available generation settings.